Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily hide someone posts you don't want to see on your Facebook. So for doing this you just need to choose this post and just click here on this button, and here you will see I don't want to see this. So just click on it, and also you can first you can see hide post or snooze nur for 30 days, hide all from this user, snooze all of this page posts, just block and unfollow this page or block this user. So we will choose, for example, we will choose hide post as I see previous, and also you can just click undo and you will cancel this hiding. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.